Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Recorder app, then select Allow and while using the app in all pop-ups. After that, you need to click on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the square one next to it. Now you can add a title at the top and then delete your recording right away by choosing delete at the bottom left corner and tapping delete in this pop-up, or save it by choosing save at the bottom right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, then select this pin icon at the top right corner and click on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!